sorry about that, but I haven't vlogged in like, I want to say 3 weeks. I don't know how long, but it's been a really long time. But I'm with this one. Hey guys! How's it going?
Hi.
Tell them where we're going.
We're going to Target.
And
I don't know.
we're going to Kohl's because my mom wants to go there. And then I don't know where else.
So then I will bring my money.
I'll put it in my thing. I got this thing because I don't know if I should show them this. But this is my picture. Focus. Focus, baby! Yeah, that's my picture. I passed on Wednesday. This is, yeah.
Take a green tripod and just like vlog with it.
So I went on Wednesday and the form was expired by a couple days, and then we went yesterday, Friday the 13th, and it was actually my brother's birthday, so, but yeah, I got this yesterday, and yeah, so, I'm gonna get like one of those other ones where you can just put your keys in here, because I probably won't put my keys in here. I'll just carry my money in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But yeah. So these are some old glasses. My hair is curling.
My hair is way too poofy.
You want to put some oil in it? Oil that you don't use for cooking? Because we have hair oil.
Smooth. It's like really soft.
Oh, that oil will make your hair soft. Like my hair's curling, kind of ish. My hair's still wet because I literally got out of the shower, but it's like 30 to 40 minutes? No, it hasn't been that long. It's been like 30 minutes.
What, since I got here?
No, it's been like 40 minutes since I got out of the shower. I don't know. Where's my, oh, it's in the shower. In the shower, not in the shower. It's in the bathroom. What am I talking about? But sorry I haven't posted anything. I just been like really not in the mood to vlog or to post anything at all. We filmed on our channel, so go check that out. I'll have the link down below so you can watch our vlog. It's called Target.
How many vlogs do we have in Target?
Probably about 50.
Probably about too many.
We probably have 50. Have we been in Target 50 times already? Yeah, we have.
Considering all those times that we like vlogged for like an hour. Remember when we do that? I'd be on your phone for an hour and we just film for no damn reason.
Yeah, we had about a 40-minute vlog in Target, and we had to cut that short, I think.
Yeah.
Or no, there was one vlog that was about 45 minutes long, and we kept it. And it's on our other channel. So if you want to watch that.
Wait, it is?
Yeah. It's that like Christmas one, or maybe it's that other one. I don't know why I just did that, because that's a bad word if you do this. Yeah. It's fuck you in Italian. So yeah, I don't know why what am I doing? But we're gonna vlog for our channel, because we're gonna vlog for our channel.
Whenever we are together, we try and vlog for our channel, because, you know.
So I don't know, since I work now, and I work the same day that we go to dance, we're probably not gonna hang out anymore.
Yeah, I remember we used to do that.
Yeah, we used to do that. And we said on one of our vlogs or one of our videos that we were gonna post
That was like on our other channel.
on Thursday, and I think we meant to say that we were gonna vlog and then post it on like Friday or Saturday, because that's when I upload, but I just upload whenever the fuck I want now, because I don't have a schedule and I'm supposed to post today, and I just...
It's like, we could make a schedule for our channel, but then it's just like so different, you know, it's just kind of like hard, because we never know.
You never know when iMovie's gonna like let me post, so it's kind of just like whenever,
or when we're together, or like when we film something or something like that.
Yeah.
It's just kinda like...
Cause like we might hang out on Monday, and then it's just like we want to get that video up, so we do that.
Hey, what water bottle does that?
My water bottle does it too. Peyton's water bottle does it too. I think every water bottle does that.
Like looks like that.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna film for our channel now. So we will see you later. So guys, we are in Target, and I'm doing this for my vlog. There's people. We're in the Halloween section at Target. There's an employee.
Alright guys, so we are currently in Target and we are buying all of the Halloween stuff. And if you can see behind me, they have Christmas lights out. All the way over there. I'm like, boy, it's not even Thanksgiving, it's not even Halloween. Why in the world would you have Christmas stuff out? I'm so confused. So far we just have some Oreos. Let's see if we can spot them. They're apple pie.
I want
To try them. So, taste test coming soon.
This is for my vlog.
This is for yours?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll do ours. She let off the smoke alarm with popcorn. Oh my god.
Rock, jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing up bushels of